You can destroy this body, you can torture me, you can chain me, but you will never be able to imprison my thoughts. A beautiful quote by the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, better known as Bapuji. On the 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, let's seek the blessings of his spirit and let's begin. Today is the day of Friday matinee. We're going to review a movie which made the term Gandhigiri popular and almost a cult across the nation. Let's see. September 2006, when this movie released. Name of the movie, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, which was a follow of the 2003 movie, Munna Bhai MBBS. The roles of Munna Bhai and his right-hand man, Circuit, were played by superstar Sanjay Dutt playing Munna Bhai and Arshad Warsi playing Circuit. There was another interesting character in the movie called Lucky Singh, which was played by Baman Irani. There was Jahnavi played by Vidya Balan, and in the role of Mahatma Gandhi was iconic Marathi theatre and film actor Shri Dilip Prabhavkar. The story of Lage Raho Munna Bhai was very simple. Munna works for Lucky Singh, who's a real estate agent, and he and Circuit are actually doing a job of encroaching properties and all sorts of antisocial things. Munna falls in love with Jahnavi, who is a radio jockey, and wins a contest and gets a chance to meet Jahnavi. When he meets Jahnavi, he's smitten by her completely. Jahnavi is also impressed with Munna, though she says that, "Why do you speak in this Tapori language?" He says that, "I'm a professor of history and this language is something which the students can relate with." So Jahnavi invites Munna to visit her home, which is known as the Second Innings House, which is a kind of a old age home for Jahnavi's, her grandfather's friends. Now, this is where Munna gets a little confused. He also gets a little nervous. So Munna and Circuit find a way out. Circuit says that you should go and read all the books which are available on Mahatma Gandhi, and then you'll be able to deliver a lecture on Mahatma Gandhi, and that's how you can win over Jahnavi. Munna goes to the local library, reads for almost 3 to 4 nights, and finally he starts saying these lines, Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, Patita Pavana Sita, and suddenly he sees the spirit of Mahatma Gandhi for the first time. He is quite disturbed with that. He is unable to understand that how has this happened. Gandhiji says that whenever you remember me, whenever you need me, please call me and I'll be there to support you. Likewise, Munna delivers a fantastic speech at the Second Innings House at Jahnavi's residence, and he takes help from Bapuji. Then he goes to Goa, and in the meanwhile, Circuit, unaware that Second Innings House belongs to Jahnavi, encroaches the house, throws away all the belongings, and of course that is a property which Lucky Singh wants. Now this is where the real struggle starts. Munna, Circuit, Jahnavi, and all the oldies at the Second Innings House decide to fight Lucky Singh with what is known as Gandhigiri. Now, do they win the Second Innings House? Is Jahnavi impressed with Munna, and what happens is what the story was all about. The movie literally made the term Gandhigiri a cult across the nation. There were nationwide protests done in the manner of Gandhigiri. Now, what is Gandhigiri? Now, Gandhigiri is something which is like a silent protest, which is where you have those qualities which Gandhiji always preached. At no point in time the movie gets preachy. The movie was actually a fun movie. In fact, Bapuji is shown to be with a great sense of humor. In fact, he also starts speaking in the same lingo as Munna and Circuit and says that tension nahi lene ka, Bapu hai na. Some of the other lines in the movie was when Janvi asks him at the radio show that क्या आप गांधी जी की दिखाई हुई राह पे चलते हैं? So Munna says हाँ अपन रोज 3 किलोमीटर महात्मा गांधी रोड पे चलता है. Another thing where Munna and Circuit realize that how difficult is Gandhigiri. Circuit says भाई आज तक अपन ने 52 किडनैपिंग 250 घर खाली किया और अपन ने बहुत सारा हड्डी तोड़ा, बट ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल है यार. सो मुन्ना सेज हाँ यार मैं तो जानता हूँ कि बापूजी ने अंग्रेजों की वाट लगा दी. अब इफ टू अंडरस्टैंड गांधीगिरी, both Munna and Janvi they decide to come up with a radio show called Bapu Ka Magic, and at the end of that radio show every participant in that show, what they have to do is they have to drop a rose at Lucky Singh's house because they want the keys of the second innings house back from Lucky Singh. Now, if you look at the learnings, what Gandhiji always preached throughout his life, one of the things that he always used to say that weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the virtue or is the virtue of the strong. So he talks about this learning of forgiveness. There's a point where Munna is irritated with Circuit and slaps his right hand man Circuit. Gandhiji tells Munna that please go and ask Circuit to forgive you. Please say sorry to Circuit. Munna does and declares that Bapu, आज अपने को बहुत हल्का लग रहा है. Another situation is where there is a young boy called Victor who loses almost 7.5 lakh rupees of his father in shares. He calls up Munna on the Bapu Ka show, on the Bapu Ka Magic show, and Munna tells him कि एक काम कर, अभी अगर तेरे पापा घर में हैं तो उनसे जाके माफी मांग. Victor goes and speaks the truth. So the second learning was about what Gandhiji preached throughout his life, and that is truth. That go and speak the truth, and that will take away all the fear which is there in your mind. There's another scene in the movie where they have shown that one caller, he calls up at the Bapu Ka Magic show and he says that every day there's a person in my apartment who spits at my door. Now Munna says, "Ab ek kaam kar, ulta kar." Instead of fighting with that man, whenever he spits at your door, please open the door and give him a nice smile. Now, this is what Mahatma Gandhi has always used to say, is that if things do not work in your favor, change the way of looking at things. Bring that change in yourself. So this is how he uses a different trick, and that's how finally the man stops spitting. In fact, at the end, the man says sorry to this man, that I'm sorry that I used to spit every day at your door. Some amazing moments were there throughout Lage Raho Munna Bhai. The entire movie preached about non-violence and forgiveness, the attitude of courage. In fact, Gandhigiri as a movement has been shown that Munna is the first person who starts with Gandhigiri, and then later on everyone follows it throughout the movie. In fact, as I said, in real time Gandhigiri became a cult across the nation, and there are so many stories where silent protests were done using Gandhigiri. And finally, if you look at the overall struggle, the overall Gandhigiri in the movie, there's a certain pattern that initially people will ignore you, the way Lucky Singh ignores Munna. Then people will mock at you, so that he makes fun of Munna, that this is not going to, Munna is not going to last. He is a goon and he's going to behave in that manner. Then later on, Lucky Singh tries to prove that Munna has these hallucinations, that he sees Bapuji. And then finally, people are going to accept what you're saying and you're going to be the winner. And that is exactly what happens in the movie. In fact, I would suggest all of you watch this movie on Netflix, and of course, it is available on some other OTT platforms as well. If I talk about the trivia of this movie, so many trivia. One was, it gave our nation the term Gandhigiri. Number two, the movie won 4 national awards. One national award for, yes, the writers of the movie, that was Rajkumar Hirani and Abhijat Joshi. And one for the movie itself, which was produced by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. The credit of this entire movie goes to the brilliant direction of Rajkumar Hirani. The movie's music was by Shantanu Moitra and the lyrics were written by Swanand Kirkire. Swanand Kirkire won a national award for Bande Mein Tha Dam. And finally, the best supporting actor in the country, the national award, went to Shri Dilip Prabhakar, a veteran Marathi actor. So this was one of the This was the first Hindi movie which was screened at the United Nations organization and which got a standing ovation. After watching this movie, the then Prime Minister of our country, Honorable Dr. Manmohan Singh, said that this movie is going to spread the message of Gandhiji across the world. In the recent past, just in 2019, on the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi invited Rajkumar Hirani and asked him to make a film, a beautiful film called #ChangeWithin. You can watch this film on YouTube as well. It's a wonderful film that talks about the thoughts of Gandhiji. In the end, all that we can say is Bande Mein Tha Dam, Vande Mataram. Thank you. If you like this video, please share as much as you can and please subscribe Learnomites. Thank you so much.